Hey, welcome to the first step in setting up your online course business. First things first, you're going to want to change out the MemberStack ID that is currently on this template. So you can do this by going to your custom code for the site, and you'll see this little snippet over here that you need to swap out with your own MemberStack install code. So you can do this by going to MemberStack, all the way to settings, and then install code. You'll see your own snippet over here, and you can paste that right into Webflow over here. Once you're done, save and close. Starting off with the homepage, there's nothing you really need to know except you can adapt this template to match your own branding. And you can do this by going to the style panel and adding your own brand colors. For the nav bar, you can swap out this logo over here. And on the right, you'll see 3 buttons. So the dashboard button, the login button, and the logout button. These buttons have conditional visibility-based attributes, MemberStack attributes. So if a user is logged in, they'll be able to see the logout buttons and the dashboard button. And if a user is logged out, they'll be able to see the login button. Okay, opening up your page settings over here, you'll be able to see a script for the instructor slider at the very bottom. This is Swiper.js, and to add your CMS-based instructors into a slider format. This too you can leave alone. Okay, so this template has 3 memberships. The buttons over here at the very bottom all have MemberStack attributes. In MemberStack, when you set up your plans and go to the plans and copy the attributes over, you'd be able to swap these values over here with your own plan attributes. So these ones. Okay. The blue buttons a user will see when they are logged in, and the white buttons a user will see when they are logged out. The white ones will all redirect a user to the sign up page. And that's about it for the pricing page, but we are going to come touch on this one a little bit later, especially when it comes to setting up your plans and gating content. Heading over to the Learn page, or your courses library page, this page itself has a Finsweet filter script over here. And this is mainly to help your users search for courses that they're interested in. And apart from that, everything else you can leave as is. You can learn more about how the Finsweet filter works by going over to finsweet.com/attributes. And once you've set all of this up, I will see you in the next video.